How to watch Netflix offline. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can watch Netflix offline. To watch Netflix offline, you can download movies or TV shows to a device. Here's how you can do it. First of all, open your Netflix application on your device and find the movie or TV show you want to download. And here you will find the download icon, usually represented by an arrow facing downwards. Tap on this downward icon to start downloading the content to your device. Once the download is completed, you will find it in your download section. For that, click on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen and from here select My Downloads. Within it, you will find all the downloaded contents you have previously downloaded. You can watch them offline too. To check it, you can disconnect your internet connections and then you can see you are able to watch this downloaded movie offline. Keep in mind that not all titles on Netflix are available for download due to licensing agreements. Also, downloaded content will expire after a certain period, so make sure to watch it before it expires. So by following these ways, you can easily watch Netflix offline. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.